Can you say Elliot?
Hey!
Good
job!
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Anything along this side of the wall, curtains, that's all 50% off.
Oh, okay.
And then let us know about the other stuff.
Okay, sounds good. Do you have the cords or anything for this, or is it just the...
No, it's just, and actually it needs repaired.
Oh, does it?
It works. The C-Sync's acting up on it.
Oh, okay.
So I know there's people that fix that stuff.
Gotcha.
Okay, I was looking at a shirt.
I'd probably let it go for a couple
People
bucks
next
if
door
you're
were
interested.
playing.
Okay, I might think about it here for a second. Thank you.
She's obsessed too.
Yeah, she was playing it. They were playing it, Precious, and they just recently acquired him, I think, and they had that going back to work. Yeah, but the contact, I get it. Yes, yes. So you know, and you don't lose that
Contact and the child. It would be so hard,
very hard.
but there's a special person out there that
Yeah, there it is.
Oh.
Looks like I got $1.25 here.
Okay, yep. Yeah, and a bunch of Pokemon cards and stuff earlier.
Oh, I'm sure those went fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you guys have a good day. Thanks.
All right, thanks for
Thanks.
stopping.
Thank
The
you.
kids are cute.
Thank you so much. Good morning.
Hello.
What was this case for?
$1.
What was it for?
Oh, what was it for?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh,
It's my brother-in-law's stuff, and I have no idea.
Yeah, I was intrigued. What's in the case?
looks kind of interesting.
It does, and then there's that.
He enjoyed all kinds. He bought. Yeah, he had all kinds of cases. We're getting rid of stuff in his house, and so we're kind of going through things.
We just love finding interesting things.
Tom does, I think. You want one? Yeah. There was a toy one here yesterday, a little model one. I don't know. Somebody else asked that, and I didn't look through them, but they probably picked out most of the other ones.
Care if I make a little stack? This is from the dollar table.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
I don't want to get everything
Yes.
mixed up.
All right.
But I want a bicycle.
Okay, we're gonna get you one, okay?
Mommy,
What? Are you yelling at me? Are you yelling at me? Yeah?
what is this big egg from?
It's a big egg, isn't it?
From a really big bird. Sure.
Oh, that you ride? Oh boy, those are fun. Those are too much fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 4 of the quarter items. $9. Thank you.
Why?
You happen to have $1?
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good luck.
Yeah, look. They're not put away yet. You do. Look. SpongeBob.
How many you want?
Hi. $2.
Perfect.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Can you say Elliot?
Hey!
Good job.
I just
Did you
paid.
hear him say your name?
For your face. If your face gets really bad burns,
It's just a burn dressing.
Oh, good.
How much do you have on these little makeups here?
Quarter for each piece.
Okay.
If you want the whole thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
$3 maybe for everything. I still sell Mary Kay, but this is all
Oh,
just
do you?
discontinued stuff.
So each individual, those are brand new 511 clothes, and they're
There you go.
Thanks.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Good morning. How are you?
Get your backpack so you can load it up, huh?
Yeah, I tried to. How much on your ornaments here?
$2.
$2 piece. How about the face mask?
How much more for your face mask?
5. Okay.
I guess I'm stupid.
They just need new,
Cord rod.
cord rods, because they really had it. Oh. But the
I don't think the
part's
attic
good.
had anything to do with it.
Can't you buy that stuff?
Yeah, you can, but I don't think the attic had anything to do with it. I think that cord just blocks the tyrannies over there.
You better start checking them. Where they falling down into the hole on his car.
Well, they don't fall on the car.
You can set that stuff over here if you want.
Oh, okay. How much on your little camera right here?
I didn't even know it was there.
Make it offer.
$2.
That's fine.
Okay. All right.
I didn't even know it was out here. When did you put that out here?
I remember it now.
That's a good camera. 2.
How you doing?
I don't know what these were.
Don't have much man.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
250, 60, 75.
330, 355.
25 and 30 is 50. Right?
Yep. Let's call it $4.
Thanks so much.
Probably.
You want a bag?
Sure.
I like your wallet.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You guys have a great day.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm the toy lady. Sorry.
I'm gonna grab your rescue bots from you.
Oh, okay,
5.
Yep. There's just a bunch of them in there. All right.
My son loves rescue bots. Thanks so much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, everybody, we are back in the garage. As you can see, the weekend of craptastic yard sales carried on into Saturday. If I would have picked up that helmet, I would have called it a decent haul. Alas, I did not. So be it. But let me share with you why I'm not stressing out. Next Wednesday starts the historic National Road yard sales, and I just happen to live on the historic National Road. So it should just be 5 days of yard sales as far as the eye can see, and I'm really looking forward to it. In fact, I have been trying to make room in this little office here by getting back into the reseller box lots on my Big Cartel site. I put up a bunch yesterday. Most of them sold out pretty quickly. There's a couple left, but I'm planning on putting some up every single day. So I will leave the link in the description to my Big Cartel store in case you're interested in picking up some cheap reseller box lots. But let me show you real quick what I did find on Saturday. First sale, I picked up this little Human Warrior deck here, little I think it's like an expansion deck of cards for some game or something. I usually pick these up if they're cheap. This one was $1, not a lot of resale value. This sale here was pretty cool. I got a bunch of stuff because there was like a $1 table and a $2 or a $1 table and a 50-cent table and a quarter bin. Not a bunch of great stuff, but I thought it was pretty cool. When there's not tons of obvious stuff for me to grab, I just try to get what's interesting, and that's what I tried to do here. So I think I paid like, I don't know, what was it, $10 or $11, $12 maybe, something like that, because most of this is dollar stuff. I got this cigar box here. It was $1. It's not worth a lot by itself. I grabbed it because of this interesting little vintage Logitech calculator. I had never seen this model before. It's an LC122, and I just thought it was really cool because it's vintage Logitech, and I tend to grab anything Logitech, especially when it's vintage. So that's what I got there. A couple more little odds and ends that obviously aren't worth anything. Grabbed this little wooden Atlantic CD case, also for $1. Just thought it was neat because it was made of wood, and I think it does have a little bit of value. Probably not a lot though, so I may just keep this to store like software and games that I'm selling without cases, possibly. Had no idea what this was. It's a little leather key holder wallet thing. I didn't really know what that logo was, but Sarah thinks it kind of looks like the Versace logo, the Versace Medusa, so I think it might be some sort of knockoff Versace thing. Obviously probably not a lot of value, but it's pretty neat. I like leather goods. Here are a couple little cassette hideaway cases. There's 2 of them made by BMI. CD cases usually do pretty well, and these were $1 a piece, and there was 2 of them, so I can lot them up, and I just thought they were kind of neat, so I grabbed them. Grabbed an auto repair for dummies manual, also for $1. These things were in the quarter bin, just a couple odds and ends so I could make an even dollar. I thought these action figures were interesting. This one here, I think from the research I did, it's from the 70s. I think it's Fisher Price Chunky Helpers or Husky Helpers or something like that. Not in good shape, not worth a lot even if it was in good shape. This guy, I don't know what line of toys he's from. My eyes don't work good enough to see that. I might have to get my loop out. But if someone recognizes this guy, just let me know, because I don't know what he is. Found this Marine Veteran Vietnam hat right here. Really good shape. I don't think it's worth a lot. And even if it was, I don't know if I would sell it. But what I'll do is, if I have any viewers that are a Marine veteran that were in the Vietnam War, or if they have a loved one, send me an email, froggyflips81@gmail.com. And the first one that does, I will send you this hat, just as a thank you. Also, there was this Alcoa Salesman briefcase case. I just thought it was interesting, and it was also $1, so I grabbed it. Looks like they're worth a little bit of money if they have the stuff still inside. This one's empty, but I still thought it was neat, so I grabbed it. Moving on to the next sale, all I grabbed was this little Motorola surfboard modem. I usually get about between 15 and 25 bucks for these. Pretty easy, pretty quick sellers, and this was only $2, so that was a no-brainer right there. The last sale, a lot of cheap stuff. I got all these bags of rubber bands, mainly because I'm a reseller that sells a lot of electronics, and I always need rubber bands, and rubber bands are kind of expensive, and these were like 15 cents a quarter, 15 cents, stuff like that. So I just grabbed all of them because I will use all those rubber bands. And they had a bunch of vintage pencils for real cheap too. Not worth a lot on their own. I tend to keep these until I can lot them up. They'll have a little bit of value. These are like red erasable color pencils. These pedigrees are still in the package. There's some vintage hockey pencils from the Red Wings. So I just grabbed those, and eventually I'll just throw those in a lot and sell them all together. This I just thought would be handy. A little yardstick, a foldable yardstick for $1. The last thing was this little camera. It's a little Samsung 35mm camera. Not a lot of value on eBay for something like this, but on Amazon I usually get about 25 bucks for these. I offered them $2 and they accepted, so that's okay for $2. I'll throw it on Amazon and see if I can make a few bucks. So as you can see, not a great weekend, Friday or Saturday, but I have very high hopes for next week. Theoretically, I should be able to hit dozens of yard sales within a mile from my house, so that is the perfect situation right there. Very excited. Wish me luck, guys. But that's what I got for you this time. As always, thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.